Welcome. My name is Tia Cherie, and I am the founder and owner of For Love and Design. It's still so funny that I can say that now, but guys, almost a year ago, I decided to leave my 9-to-5. Yep, a scary trek, right? And launch my own home staging and decor business. Now, let me tell you, I didn't have no money. I had a stimulus check and an IOU to my sister. But I was determined to not only leave my job and work for myself, but to provide an income for myself and my family that I had never seen before. And I'm telling you, in 90 days, God worked it out. So I am creating an e-course for you to tell you how you can launch your own business in 90 days. It's up to you, but I can show you the steps that I took that got me to the place that I am today. It was just a year ago that I was contemplating quitting my job and starting my own business, and I was scared. I didn't know how to do it, but let me tell you how God works. I quit my day job. In 90 days, I was making 6 figures, an income of 6 figures, and that was in 90 days, and that was a blessing. But the bigger blessing is for me to share it with you. So I am launching a course that will teach you how to launch your own home staging interior decorating business in 90 days and land your first client. Everything you need to know from start to finish, how to launch your business, how to set up your accounting, CRM tools, vendors, everything. Once you click on the link in the bio and you sign up for my course, I'm going to go through a 6-week step-by-step live process with you on how I went through starting my business. I'm going to help you understand how to set up your LLC. I'm going to help you understand how to get your first client, what accounting tools you need, what vendors I use, what discounts you get, how I do my pricing. I mean, I am really going to help you build your brand. And here's the thing. You're going to be my first group of people, my first cohort. So I'm going to offer you a discount if you sign up now. This is going to be limited spacing. Just sign up. Take a leap of faith, trust in yourself. This is a proven system. I did this in 90 days. You can do it too. Let me tell you guys, I don't have a degree in design. I have faith and an eye for decor, eye for shopping, eye for putting things together, and a love for homes. You don't need that much to start. You need confidence in yourself. You need faith. And you just need to take action. And so this course is going to help you each week come together and put a plan of action together. That's what I did. So I'm going to come to you live. We're going to talk out everything that I did step by step to launch this 6-figure business. So just come for yourself. Show up for yourself. That's all it takes. Now, I'm not going to say it's easy, but I am going to say that with a little bit of determination, a lot of work, you too can launch your own business, leave that 9-to-5 and get paid, because guess what? You're not limited to a salary. You're not limited to a promotion. As hard as you work is what's going to determine the type of money that you can make in your business. So I would like to come week to week together to teach you my steps. So I'm sure you're wondering, how much is this course going to cost? When I tell you guys, this course is valued at probably over $6,000. No joke. Because I am giving you, my vendor list, top 20 vendors I use, what kind of discounts I offer, what kind of upsells that I do, what kind of markups that I do, accounting tools I use, how do I pay myself? And these are my steps. They're proven, worked. I can show you my taxes. Now, you have to just show up for you. You have to have the confidence enough in you to invest in you. This won't be, so I'm sure you're probably asking, well, what am I going to get in this course? Guys, this is a beta course. You will be my first group of people going through the course with me. I have 6 weeks of a planned program, And I want your opinion. I want your help. I want to be able to answer your questions. And all of this information that I'm going to be compiling will help me create an even stronger and better course for the next group of people that sign up. Now, I do have a great outline. I mean, we're going to learn how to start your brand, from creating your logo, coming up with your name, your website, incorporations, accounting, taxes, pricing, getting your first client, vendors, setting up a CRM tool, invoicing. I mean, there's so much that I'm going to be able to share with you. And as my first group, I'm going to offer it to you for a discount. So guys, for my first cohort, I'm only going to be accepting 10 students. So make sure you click the link and sign up, because once those 10 seats are filled, I'm done for this first round. So go ahead and click the link. Have faith in yourself. I'm going to walk you through it hand in hand. We're going to get on, a webinar every week. We're going to have homework assignments. I mean, if you follow my steps, I'm confident that you are going to be able to land your first client. You just have to have a little faith, follow the steps, and show up for yourself. So click on the link. The first 10 people to sign up will be part of this first cohort, and you will get the best deal for this entire course. You're going to be helping me build it, so I'm going to offer you a great special rate to be able to join this class, but it's only going to have 10 spots, so hurry up and sign up.